Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel. My name is Max. In this channel, I share with you my daily life, what I love in my life, basically all the interesting things that I do in my life. One of my life's loves is cooking. So yesterday I cooked something and I was thinking, I think there may be someone out there who doesn't know how to cook this. I'm talking about the humble beans. These humble beans are so popular and they may be popular to us, but there may be someone out there who doesn't know about these beans. These are red speckled beans. They are so popular in Southern Africa and they are very affordable. We find them in grocery shops or supermarkets at a very low price. And even though they are very affordable, beans are still beans and they are very good as a source of protein for our bodies. So today I'm going to show you how I cook these beans. I actually cooked these beans yesterday, not today. So I'm just going to show you how I cooked these beans. And if you like this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Since they're in a dry form, some people prefer to soak them first for a few hours, then cook them, then boil them. But I just put them in a pot and put some hot water and boil them until they're tender. Just boiling them is boring, but I've got a method that can make them delicious. I start by chopping my vegetables, my onions, and my tomatoes. Please don't judge my chopping skills. This is not Master Chef. After chopping, I then prepare my spices. I'm going to use cinnamon, cayenne pepper, and whole cloves. I also use this Raja medium curry powder. It's delicious. Then I put some oil in a pot. We then put the onions. I'm also going to add some garlic, but I just buy store-bought garlic that's already chopped. So I take it from the fridge and then add it to the onions. When the onions and garlic are starting to get soft and brown, we then add the tomatoes. I mix everything together and then I add the spices. And I also add in some salt. I'm now going to add some hot water. You can add some cold water, it doesn't matter. And these are the beans that we boiled earlier. They are now soft and ready. I'm going to add them to the relish that I've just made. Then I'm going to mix everything together. This looks yum and almost ready. I'm just going to taste a little bit. I'm liking it. So I'm going to close the pot and leave it to simmer just for a little bit, maybe 2 minutes, and it's ready to serve. Look at that. Our beans are ready to be served. Looking good. They're nice and tasty. If you liked this video, please remember to like, leave a sweet comment, let me know if you've tried these beans before or if you have a method that you need to share with me on how to cook them. And please subscribe. This is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching from start to finish. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe. Remember to pray all the time. Stay blessed. Until next time. Mwah.